So you got a pair of Beats Flex wireless earphones and you got an iPhone or even an iPad. So let's show you how to pair and connect them together. Customize your Flex settings right from your device, no apps needed, so you can start using them right away. So if you just unbox it, just press on this power button to turn it on, and in a moment it'll start showing this flashing white LED. That means it's on pairing mode. If it's already paired with any other device, just keep holding down the same power button till it starts flashing white LED. If your iPhone and iPad is near, you'll get this cool, beautiful connection pop-up. Just go ahead, tap on Connect, and in a moment they'll be paired. Now, just in case if you did not get this pop-up, happens sometimes, don't worry. Whatever iOS devices you are using, just go ahead, open up Settings. From there, go to the Bluetooth settings, and your Beats Flex name will pop up right under the nearby devices list. Just tap on it to connect them. Now, if you go to the info section, you can customize a few little options. Now, whatever iOS devices you've connected, after the connection, you can swipe down the control panel, and from here, make sure the output device is selected to your Beats Flex. And that's pretty much how you can connect and pair your Beats Flex with any iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching.